Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wood planers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner looking to build your workshop, we'll break down the features, performance, and value of each product to help you pick the perfect planer for your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Amazon Basics Woodworking Hand Planer. This budget-friendly option is perfect for hobbyists or beginners who want a simple, manual tool for smoothing wood surfaces. With a durable cast iron body, it offers stability and control, while the impact-resistant plastic handle ensures a comfortable grip during use. The adjustable blade system lets you fine-tune your cuts for precise smoothing. Although it's recommended to calibrate the factory settings before your first use. In terms of design and build quality, the Amazon Basics hand planer is compact and lightweight, making it easy to maneuver for smaller woodworking projects. However, its manual nature means it's better suited for light-duty tasks rather than large-scale or heavy-duty woodworking. While the steel alloy blade delivers decent results, it may require frequent sharpening for optimal performance. Overall, this is a great entry-level option for those on a tight budget, priced at just $25.30. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts or small-scale woodworkers who need an affordable tool for occasional use. On the downside, it lacks the power and efficiency of electric planers, limiting its versatility. But for the price, it's hard to beat. At number 4, we have the WEN 6530 6-amp electric hand planer. This compact and versatile tool is a fantastic upgrade from manual planers, offering 34,000 cuts per minute with its powerful 6-amp motor. It's perfect for smaller projects, such as smoothing boards, trimming edges, or creating rabbets up to 1 inch in size. The lightweight design, tipping the scales at just 6.5 pounds, makes it easy to handle for extended periods without fatigue. The build quality is solid for its price point, featuring a durable metal base and an ergonomic design. It comes with useful accessories like a dust bag, kickstand, and parallel fence bracket, which add convenience and functionality. Users appreciate its adjustable cutting depth, which offers precise control for various applications. However, it's worth noting that the cutting width of 3.25 inches limits its use for larger boards. For just $52, the WEN 6530 delivers excellent value for DIYers and casual woodworkers. It's ideal for those looking for a portable, affordable electric planer for light-duty tasks. While it won't match the performance of higher-end benchtop models, its reliability, ease of use, and low price make it a worthwhile investment for beginners or intermediate users. In the third spot, we have the WEN PL 1252 52-amp benchtop thickness planer. This mid-range option delivers impressive performance for its price, making it a favorite among budget-conscious woodworkers. With a powerful 15-amp motor generating 20,000 cuts per minute, it handles boards up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick with ease. The adjustable depth allows for precision cuts of up to 1/8 inch per pass, ensuring smooth and consistent results. The build quality of the WEN PL 1252 is robust, featuring a durable cast iron base for stability during operation. Its compact design minimizes the footprint in your workshop, and the 2 reversible SK5 blades provide long-lasting cutting performance. However, at 63.9 pounds, it's not as portable as smaller models, making it better suited for stationary setups. The included dust port helps with debris management, but users note that the dust collection system could be more effective. Priced at $298.88, this planer strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. It's ideal for hobbyists and small-scale professionals looking for a reliable benchtop thickness planer. While it doesn't have the advanced features of premium models, its solid performance and affordability make it a fantastic value for its price. Taking the runner-up position is the DeWalt DW735X thickness planer, a powerful and feature-rich model that's designed for professionals and serious woodworkers. With a 15-amp motor delivering 20,000 RPM and a cutter head speed of 10,000 RPM, this planer handles large cuts in wide materials effortlessly. Its 3-knife cutter head increases knife life by 30% and makes blade changes quick and hassle-free. The 2-speed gearbox allows users to optimize cuts per inch, making it versatile for different types of wood. Build quality is where the DW735X truly shines. The 19 3/4-inch cast aluminum base is twice as rigid as standard models, reducing vibration and increasing accuracy. The automatic carriage lock minimizes snipe, while the fan-assisted chip ejection system ensures efficient debris removal. Additional features like a material removal gauge and turret depth stop make precise cuts easy. At 102 pounds, it's a heavy-duty model, better suited for permanent workstations than portable use. At $660.72, this is a premium investment, but offers exceptional value for professionals who demand accuracy, durability, and efficiency. Its advanced features and robust build make it a standout choice for high-volume or intricate woodworking projects. The only downside is its hefty price tag, but for those who want the best, it's worth every penny. Finally, at number 1, we have the Fine By Tool 13-inch benchtop thickness planer with helical cutter head. This is the ultimate option for professionals who need precision, efficiency, and top-tier performance. Featuring a unique helical cutter head with 40 tungsten carbide insert knives, this planer provides tear-free, ultra-smooth cuts on both softwoods and hardwoods. The 15-amp motor delivers 20,000 RPM, and the 4-column anti-wobble design ensures outstanding stability. With a cutting accuracy of less than 0.1 millimeter tolerance, this planer is unmatched in precision. The Fine By Tool planer is built for durability, featuring a combination of cast iron and aluminum components. At 70 pounds, it's lighter than the DeWalt DW735X, but still sturdy enough for stationary use. The dust collection system is a standout feature, efficiently removing chips without clogging. This model also includes a repeat cut depth stop with 8 positions, enabling consistent thickness across multiple boards, making it a favorite for batch processing. Priced at $699.99, this is the most expensive planer on our list, but it justifies the cost with its premium features and exceptional performance. It's ideal for professionals and high-volume woodworkers who want flawless results every time. The only downside is its steep price, but if you need the best tool for the job, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy woodworking.